Hi, myself Divya K, second year MSc Data Science student, Department of Future Studies. Here I am going to introduce an AI experiment, Semandris. Actually, it is a game. Semandris is a set of word association games. Basically, it tests our word association abilities. There are a lot of words in a list or boxes. Each time we enter a clue, the AI looks at all the words in the play and chooses the ones it thinks that most related, because it is trained with on billions of examples of conversational text that span a large variety of topics. So it's able to make many types of associations. The main challenge lies in this is the ability to make word association as quickly and accurately as possible. The major APIs used here are machine learning and natural language understanding technology. Its ability to correctly match similar words comes from the billions of lines of dialogue Google's AI has observed, and this game really shows just how advanced the AI is. There are two types, arcade and blocks, and some target line there. I'll demonstrate it. So we can move to our demonstration. Here it is. There are two types, arcade and blocks. First we can start with arcade. Is think fast and type fast. Actually it is arcade. That is, here need our fast memory, because there are list of words. We have to we can't waste our time. Okay, we can start with the arcade. Here it is. We get the first word, ocean. We have to write the similar or most related word to ocean. Then it will come down and remove. We get score. Okay. We type here C, enter it down. It identifies C is most related to ocean, then it will vanishes and we get score. The next word comes toothbrush. So we have to write most related word to toothbrush. I write here teeth and enter. It identifies this is related to toothbrush. It's like this. There are a list of words. The first word, we have to remove the first word. We enter most related clue to them. Then it identifies searches. Actually it searches which is more related. This word is which is related. Then we get it will come down, vanishes, we get score. This is the process. Okay, next we can move to blocks. It is like a puzzle actually. Take your time and puzzle it out. There are so many blocks. We have to remove that blocks actually. Here it is. There are target lines. The boxes will come regularly. So if we fail to type any clue, then it across the target line, we lost the game. So, and it has a trick. We have to take the more the below line words the more boxes, more colored boxes. Okay, we know that here most colored boxes are red. We have to remove the word neighbor. So we write here nearest, then enter. It took time. Then it identifies it is neighbor. It guessed as neighbor. Then it the same color boxes will remove. Okay, it is removed. Okay, next we have to remove snow. We write mist, enter. But it guessed as tree. Uh, it thinks that the mist is most related to trees. This is the process of this game. That is, each time we enter a clue, it searches which the clue is most related to which one. Then it will vanishes. It is trained with billions of words. That's all. Thank you.